You don't have to do this.
Sebastian.
We do so adore restricted areas, don't we?
You are so insufferable.
Be very, very careful how you speak to me.
Or what?
You have drove me mad for days. Allow me to return the favour.
Sebastian, don't wear that mask anymore.
Did it scare you?
Yes.
I won't apologise for what I have to do to keep you safe. I don't want my memories back. It's better this way. Trust me.
Where did you go?
To look for a way out. Don't fall in love with me.
What happened to you?
All I remember is pain for the first few weeks. I'm not the person you used to know. Not anymore.
I'm scared that I won't be able to bring you back.
Look at me. There's not bringing me back.